Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyadoka. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll share how to make Chikuzen-ni. The origin of Chikuzen-ni is a regional food in Fukuoka Prefecture. But now it is a very popular homemade dish all over Japan. Lots of root vegetables and chicken are simmered in soy sauce based sauce. The flavors blend together. Chikuzen-ni is so complex and delicious. This is a perfect dish for our daily meal. I hope you enjoy delicious and healthy Chikuzen-ni at your home. Yes, let's make it. First, I rehydrate dried Shiitake mushrooms. These dried Shiitake mushrooms are produced in Oita Prefecture. Wash them in the water, then add 200 grams of the water. Place a small plate on them and let it stand for at least 4 hours in the fridge. It's better to soak them in the water overnight. Next, we'll cut the ingredients. Today I prepared many ingredients, however, you don't need to prepare all of them. It's good to use carrot, dried shiitake mushrooms, konjac, canned bamboo, and chicken. And if you are vegan or vegetarian, it's good to use deep-fried tofu, atsage, instead of chicken. The most important trick is to cut the ingredients into same size. It will help to cook them evenly, and the texture will be uniformed, and the quality of the dish will be better. First, we'll cut the carrot. Peel off the skin. Then oblique cut the carrot. It increases the surface area of the vegetables, which helps them cook faster and absorb more flavor. Keep the end of the knife and rotate the carrot. We often oblique cut the ingredients when we make simmered dishes. Okay. Next, Burdock. This Burdock is from Kumamoto Prefecture. Oblique cut it as well. Place the cut surface upwards and cut it. This cutting is called rankiri in Japanese. Good. Next, lotus root. This lotus root is from Chiba Prefecture. Peel the skin. Good. Then cut it into quarters. And slice it into 1 cm intervals. The feature of the lotus root is a crunchy texture and subtle sweet taste. Like this. Then konjac. It is made from konjac potato. The feature of the konjac potato is gelatinous and springy texture, and the surface is slippery. So make fine cuts like this to hold the sauce. This cutting way is called kanoko bojo. Please do this to both sides. Good. Then cut it into 2 cm cubes. We cut all ingredients into same and bite-sized pieces. Okay, next snap pears. They are from Miyazaki Prefecture. You can use snow pears instead of it. The preparation is so simple, just remove the strings. Good. 4 hours later, dried shiitake mushrooms release a savory flavor to the water, and it becomes tender. Remove the stem, then cut it into a little bit smaller than other ingredients, because the texture of the dried shiitake mushrooms is a little bit chewy and firm. Good. Next, chicken thigh. Deep fried tofu is a good substitute of the chicken. Trim the excess fat and skin, then cut it into bite-sized pieces, 2 cm squares. I recommend to use chicken or deep fried tofu because they will give rich and complex flavor to the sauce. Okay. This is Fuki. I use it in my latest video and introduce how to prepare it carefully. Put salt over them and rub them on the cutting board. Then boil them with salt for about 3 minutes. I like the crunchy texture of Fuki, so boil them carefully to maintain the texture. Once they are cooked, transfer them to the cold water to keep this beautiful green color and texture. Chill them well. When they are cooled down, peel the skin. The skin of Fuki is fibrous, therefore remove it carefully. Nice. Then cut them into bite-sized pieces. The taste of Fuki is slightly bitter. The bitterness is a good accent in Chikuzen-ni. Beautiful. Finally, bamboo takenoko. I also used takenoko in my latest video. It's good to use canned bamboo shoot for the dish. Cut it into cubes. Takenoko is one of the most popular spring ingredients. The texture is nice crunchy and the taste is rich and sweet. Now is the best season of takenoko. If you come to Japan in spring, I hope you will try and enjoy takenoko dishes. Good? Okay, I've got all ingredients. Next, we'll blanch the ingredients. There are three purposes of blanch them in advance. First, make the ingredients appropriate texture. And second, remove the moisture and concentrate the flavor. And third, harmonize the flavor in the dish. This process is very careful. I hope you enjoy more delicious and elegant chikuzen-ni. At first, blanch snow pears for about 1 minute. The important thing is to add them into the boiling water to cook them quickly and to keep the crunchy texture. Remove and transfer them to the strainer. And put salt over them. Let it all cool. Next, carrot. Blanch them for about 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Blanching ingredients relax the tissue walls to increase moisture escape during subsequent drying. 2 minutes and 30 seconds later, remove it and transfer the carrot on the bamboo strainer for drying. Blanching and drying are important steps in concentrating the flavor. Next, konjac. Blanch them for 1 minute. There are two purposes of blanching konjac. They are removing the smell and allowing the sauce to penetrate into konjac. Transfer them on the strainer too. Next, blanch lotus root for about 4 minutes. Please cook them until the iron score goes through. Nice. Blanch burdock for 3 minutes. Okay, dried shiitake mushrooms, blanch them for about 5 minutes. Okay, finally, blanch chicken thigh for about 30 seconds. The purpose is to remove the smell and excess fat, and the result will be clear and elegant taste. Okay, the chicken is not cooked yet. Good. Next, these are broth ingredients, and this is the recipe. This dashi is made from kombu and bonito flakes. I add dashi to the large bowl and dried shiitake stock. It gives richness and complexity to the broth. Mirin. And today I use two types of soy sauce, usukuchi and koikuchi. If you're interested in the differences between soy sauces, please check the video. Sugar and last sake. Okay, turn on the heat and warm up the broth, slowly to dissolve the sugar. Once the broth starts boiling, add the vegetables except for snap pears and fuki. Okay, start it. Once the broth reboils, skim off the foam carefully. Good. Turn down the heat and simmer it for 10 minutes. Then add chicken thigh. Good. And mix them. Simmer it for more 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, turn off the heat and let it all cool. Now it's almost 3 p.m. Once it's cooled down, add fuki. To keep the color and texture, we should add fuki once it's cooled down. Okay, and rest it overnight in the fridge to blend the flavors. Next day, before heating it, remove fuki from the pot. Okay, then transfer the portion we want to eat to the pot. Heat up chikuzen-ni. Meanwhile, cut snap pears into bite-sized pieces. Good. When it's warm, return fuki to the pot. The reason why I remove it once to keep the color and crunchy texture. Okay, turn off the heat. Beautiful. I transfer the hot soup to the snap pears. Okay, let's arrange it on the plate. Then snap pears. It adds bright touch to the dish. Pour the soup. Finally, put kinome on top. Kinome is a Japanese unique and seasonal herb in spring. The taste is pungent and the smell is refreshing. It is good to arrange them on the big bowl. This green plate is called olive. Pour the flavorful soup over them. Finally, top snap pears and kinome. Okay, Chikuzen-ni is done. Let's eat it. いただきます. We can enjoy the original flavors of the ingredients, and the texture is also nice. Chikuzen-ni is very delicious. This soup is perfect, rich and so flavorful. Thank you. Did you enjoy? Today I introduced how to make Chikuzen-ni. I said Chikuzen-ni was a regional food in Fukuoka Prefecture, but now it is a very popular homemade dish all over Japan. I hope you enjoy healthy and delicious Chikuzen-ni at your home. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.